Hi, today in front of me Huawei MatePad SE, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see sound mode section, and just to activate silent mode you should switch sound to the silent one by this way. Or also to turn it off we should switch silent to the sound. If you wanna activate silent mode by another way, you can also just mute the notifications volume panel. As you can see now, silent mode is activated. Just to turn it off, unmute this volume panel once again. And also I got one more way. Just open the control panel and you'll see here the sound icon. Click twice once to this icon to activate silent mode, and also you can click once again to turn off silent mode and to activate the sound one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.